Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the area and getting immediate access to the taillight. Remove the cargo cover and peel back the trunk liner to reveal the taillight bolts. This is where you'll begin. Use the 10 mm socket to loosen the fasteners while supporting the assembly so it doesn't drop. Once the bolts are loose, gently pull the taillight straight out a few inches to access the bulb holder. Make sure to wear gloves to keep oils off the new bulb and keep screws organized. Next, focus on removing the old brake light bulb and inspecting the socket. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull the bulb straight out. This prevents breaking it. Check the socket for corrosion or melted plastic, clean contacts if minor, replace the socket if damaged, because a bad connection will cause failure. Insert the new bulb by aligning tabs, push in, and turn clockwise until it seats. Once installed, reconnect the harness and press the brake to verify the bulb lights. Finish by reseating the taillight and securing all bolts evenly so the seal sits flush. This prevents leaks. Replace the trunk liner and cargo cover, then tighten everything snugly. If the new bulb does not illuminate, make sure the fuse for brake/taillight is intact, wiggle the connector to ensure full contact, and test the bulb with a 12-volt source. This isolates bulb versus circuit issues. Once functioning, do a final check. Apply the brake, inspect both sides, and confirm there are no gaps letting water in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.